Hi, do you want to write an application to Bank Manager? In this video, I will tell you the pattern. By using this pattern and method, you can write an application to the Bank Manager. So, let's get started. Subject: Request for unblocking of bank account. Date: October 28th, 2024. The manager: bank name, branch address. Dear Sir, Madam, I am writing to bring to your kind attention that my bank account number, your account number, under the name, your full name, has been blocked. I kindly request you to take the necessary steps to unblock my account at your earliest convenience. I have ensured that any required documentation and compliance procedures have been completed. If there is any additional information or documentation needed to process my request, please let me know, and I will provide it without delay. I would appreciate your prompt action in this matter, as the unblocking of my account is crucial for my financial transactions. I look forward to your positive response. Thank you for your time and cooperation. Yours faithfully. Your full name, your contact information, your